Who's ready to elevate your home chef skills? I'm going to show you a really simple way to do Vietnamese spring rolls. They're vibrant, they're fresh, and they're just crispy and so nice and light as well. I'm going to have a few ingredients in front of me. Let's get into it. Grab our rice paper right here, one single piece. I have a sheet pan with lukewarm water right next to me. I'm going to go ahead and get it in the water. And so what we're doing here is we're just waiting for it to turn translucent and nice and soft. So maybe 20 seconds, 15 seconds, just depending on the temperature of your water. And then what I'm gonna do too right now, since it's soaking, is I'm gonna moisten my cutting board, because that's the trick too, is a moist cutting board. Okay, it's starting to get nice and soft. Just move it over. Whoop. There we go. Get all the bubbles out. So when we do our lettuce, here's the key. Nice big pieces, but you see the stem going through the middle? You want to fold the lettuce in half and make sure the stem is facing towards you. And I put it about 1/4 way up the wrap like this. So that's going to help you get that first nice tight roll. Boom. Next, I'm going to put my noodles down on top of the lettuce. Just like that. And what can happen sometimes when doing a spring roll is you put too many ingredients on it and then it turns into a spring burrito. And we don't want that. So, little means more. Next, I'm going to grab my carrots and red bell pepper. Just a couple pieces on top. Doesn't need to be a whole lot. Adds a little pizzazz, adds a little crunch, and that's exactly what we want. Remember, it's a shrimp spring roll, not a carrot and red bell pepper spring roll. Let's go. Let's take this baby to Flavor Town. Great. Now we got to get our Thai basil in. And so what I like to do with the basil leaves and the mint leaves is stick them behind the lettuce, behind the noodles, behind all the mise en place, because when you get that first flip, then that really seals them in there and you can see them in the wrap. Couple mint leaves. Great. We're going to do just a pinch of this Irby's native mint. It just brings a nice addition to the spring roll. Just a little hit of it. Beautiful. And then we're going to do our poached shrimp. So I like to do 4 pieces, as long as the lettuce is in the wrap is how I like to do it. This is the fun part. Let's get rolling. Okay, so I lift up, goes nicely, and what I do is I'll put my fingers on the lettuce part just to get that first flip. Boom. And then I'm going to bring that back towards me like that and just get a nice tight roll. Great. Take your time with it. Have fun. The guests are going to like this regardless. There we go. Look at that. And let's get the rolling. I love it. You can see the mise en place. Voila, a beautiful wrap. Okay, just a little bit of extra water. Just give it a little pet. Great. All right, we got lunch. Let's get the Geardy open. Let's get these on a plate. Yummy. Don't be discouraged at home to make these. They're vibrant, they're fresh, they're light, and they're so, so good.